is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. It is Saturday and it is going to be really hot today, so I'm just going to have a nice chilled day, and I thought I would film a bit for you guys. So I'm just sat outside and I've just put my arm in a cobweb, and I can't really see myself, but you probably could see me when I edit it. So if not, if not, I will brighten it up. I've just made myself a glass of lemon and lime water. It's gone a bit cloudy because I squirted some lemon that I cut up that I couldn't cut because it was literally the end in the glass, and I've added some cold water.
Cool.
And yeah, so I'm just gonna enjoy a nice day at home, and I thought to bring you along. Okay guys, so I'm just obviously sat outside, as you know from my introduction to the vlog, and I just wanted to tell you some things that happened last night. So so during the day my mum phoned her parents to come pop over. So they live a little bit local, even when they used to live a bit further away from us. Especially where we used to live, they used to come down every few weeks, one day a week, something like that. One day every 2 weeks, just something like that. Even when we moved here, they used to come down, instead of us, and we used to go and visit things. So what happened was, so they came down from their house. That's only like 20 minutes walk away now, and like 5 minute drive. So they came down during the after lunch, and we sat down. We had a chit chat. You know, we just spent some time with them, and then I had a phone call saying, could you water the plants for my other set grandparents who only live across the road. Like, we're in my back garden, and the front of their house is like a few roads over, and you could see it from my bedroom. So we popped over to their house and to water the plants, because granddad was out with bowling. He was doing some bowling somewhere else, and he wanted to make sure the plants have enough water. So he said, could Charlie and I do it? So Charlie and I popped over, and we were like there for like hours, and it reminded me when we moved in, we didn't really have Wi-Fi, and I didn't really start vlogging then into October, because I wanted to vlog my Scotland trip, and I always like to do like a little memorable video. So it brought back me memories of us going over there to use their Wi-Fi. And then there was one time when we had I think it might have been the whole day. We went out the whole day, so it might have been we went out during the morning. It might have been for the morning. Come home lunchtime, or when about like 2 o'clock ish. Went back up to their house, had a cup of tea, and then walked back down here and started doing some bits in the garden to make it a bit more nicer, because they previously only had like grapevines and things, so we wanted to get rid of those. And it just brought back memories. And then we had tea here, and then we went back over to there to use our phones again. And also get out of the way of Mum, because she was just getting a bit stressed out because all the boxes and all the, she had so much things that she had to do. She got, I think, the first 2 days she got a bit stressed out, so we didn't really want to ask her anything, and it was quite nice because we were able to, go up there and use the Wi-Fi, and then a few minutes later, so that day, I think it might have been the day it was the day that we still had the truck, our moving van, lorry thing, and we wanted my uncle, my dad's youngest brother, to come down and help us unpack the lorry a bit more, because we did it the moving day. We did the moving day. We did the moving day, and he came down. So we planned that we'd do it in 2 days, so we didn't have to spend all the night unpacking, and everyone was starting to get tired. And because the only time my uncle could have came was in the evening when his little ones have gone to bed, our cousins, Charlie and I are cousins, so they were doing that. And we left some bits at Gran and Grandad's because we didn't have a place for our dining table at the time, so half of our stuff was still in their conservatory. So Charlie and I went up with Uncle Ian to load the lorry, and Dad and Granddad helped, and then we just literally stayed up there until like 9 p.m, and it was the most fun. 9-10 o'clock, I think it might p.m, and we just this is what all happened yesterday. We went up and did the watering plants, and literally had the best, it was just grandma, Charlie and I had the best time, just talking, and she was watching her program, but the one program she was watching, she already knew what was happening, because as the program was a repeat series, and I like watching that series, and yeah, we just had a chit chat before, and we stayed with hers just so until Grandad came home, so we could see Grandad. And our parents don't really mind. They don't mind how long we stay there, but they get a bit worried if we don't come home before like 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'm just really grateful that we can see our grandparents a bit more, especially in the evenings. We can head over in the summer holidays to our other grandparents. I can head over to them in during the day. If they're not doing anything, if they're doing something, we can go over to them. We've got too many options, and I'm really grateful that they've now. My mum's parents have moved, so yeah. I'm gonna stop waffling on, and my thumb's about to die. My thumb's about to die because I'm holding you really awkwardly. And yeah, hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you on. This vlog's actually going up on, I think, Wednesday next week at 6 p.m. So this vlog will go up. So I'm starting. I'm now waffling on about something else now, but I'm now starting, instead of doing Sunday and Monday at 6 p.m, I'm doing Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday at 6 p.m. and Sunday at 9 a.m. So yeah, I'm just going to do some washing, hang up some dishwashing, clean clothes from the wash machine, and I was going to say dishwasher clothes, and yeah, just take my drink with me. So yeah, let's get on with a bit of that. back. We've just got some food in. We're about to have some. Actually, just waiting for Dad to get the umbrella from grandparents. And then we're going to sit inside, have a play. Okay, guys, I'm in the bathroom. I'm just going to quickly close the door. It's so hot today. When you see this, it will be, I think, a bit cooler. So hopefully it is. But yeah, I'm just going to quickly cool myself down with a cool face. And I thought, whilst I do that, I could talk to you guys. So I haven't really spoken to you all day. I've just done like what my targets and so forth. But there's not really much to vlog today as it's super warm. But later I think like we'll have some tea and then we'll just have a nice relaxed evening and that kind of thing. And also have little bits with that I have to. So tomorrow's really hot. It's like really bloody hot tomorrow as well. It might just be 10 degrees warmer or something like that. So that's the weather tomorrow. I will vlog that out just because I'm uploading a video tonight and it's quite nice because even though it's quite warm, it's quite nice to just sit and relax and just don't worry about what's happening. So yeah, I thought I'd give you an update. I've now cleaned my face, feel a bit more relaxed, and I'm gonna go back outside, enjoy the sun and a few more minutes. Guys, it's now time to cook tea, so we're having some wraps. We just call them the wraps. We get this bronze, and it's actually really nice. So I'm gonna quickly prepare salad, and we'll have salad and that kind of thing with it. So I'm gonna do